Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to Nails by LJOLUSEsi. So in today's video I'm going to be swatching the glitters that SammieJo from SammieJoNails sent me in a friend mail swap. She sent me 6 beautiful colours. Hang on, I'm just creaming the old hands because they're looking mighty crusty. Okay, excuse that. Yes, so if you haven't watched the video already, then I will leave it linked down below. So this is it's got yellows, pinks and some white in there, lots of circles. Also this one, very beautiful, and the blue. Also this is a purple and blue, and it's got some purple and silver holographic faces in. And then this red, oh, it's got mylar in it as well. This one is red, and also this pink. It has some mylar and some hexagons. So let me get myself ready and I will be back. Okay, so we're going to start off with this beautiful yellow. I'm just going to swatch it on this bit of kitchen roll. I'm going to be using clear acrylic. Didn't pick up much, did I? Let's try that again. Yeah, so I can see the iridescence from where I'm sitting. I can see like reds, blues and greens. Very pretty, I like a lot. Then we have this pink one. Oh, that's really pretty. You can see the mylar in it. Shall I zoom you in? Makes a bit of sense, doesn't it now? That's a bit too close. Yeah. There's that one. Really pretty. And we have this red. Okay, it looks like it's got some orange in there. It's like some yeah, it's like some orange in there. god, I'm not showing you, sorry. Very pretty. Then we have this beautiful holographic blue. Oh, it's got some iridescent, like, you see the pink? Very pretty. Okay, then we're gonna do this blue purple. Oh, and there's some big, a little mix, some big hexagons, and there's some big chunks of mylar in there as well. Trying to get a smiley face out. That's really pretty. You see the little smiley face? It's cute. So that's got an iridescent green. I'm not sure that's going to show up on camera. But very beautiful. And then the last one is this. Beautiful colour. So I'm just giving it a mix. Yeah, so there's some gold. Oh, there's some strands. And there's pink. And there's some of them rhombuses as well. And some fine. That's really, really pretty. That's really pretty. I love them all. Look how sparkly they are. Love. Zoom it out. So that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Again, thank you, Sammie, for going out of your way, sitting there for an hour plus, mixing these beautiful glitters for me. I really, really love them. Really love them. Gorgeous. Anyway, guys, thank you all so much for watching. Take care, and you will see me in my next video. Bye bye.